Now coming in with the slides out, full kitchen, double sink, very spacious living area. The couch does open up into a bed. Another bed above with a ladder to enter. Drivers and passenger seats swivel around if using the table or just for conversation. And the dining area, as well as the television raised up by the televator. There is additional storage under both of the seats here at the booth. Once again, very spacious. Walking through with the slides open. Take a look at the bathroom. It's getting lots of space. Very spacious. Everything very well maintained. No soft spots on the doors. Very secure. Shower area. As you can see, spacious in the bedroom. Plenty of room to get to your items within the cabinets, the drawers. Access to the TV and VCR. Entry on this side of the bed. And a second air conditioning unit in the back side in the bedroom here, as well as the air conditioner in the living space.